How to enable or disable the taskbar thumbnail preview on your Windows. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be discussing on how can we enable or disable the taskbar's thumbnail previews. The steps are quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, press on Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. Next up, type in sysdm.cpl and press enter. This will ask you for permissions. Tap on Yes. Now this will open the system properties. To access the performance settings, go to the Advanced tab. Now under the Performance section, you will see Settings button. Tap on it. There you must see the option of Enable Pick in the list of custom options. If you want to enable the pick, make sure it is checked, and if you want to disable that, you need to click on it to uncheck. Once that is done, you should apply an OK. And quite easily as that, you have enabled the taskbar thumbnail, or you can disable it as well. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.